Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Standing head coach for the Reggae Girls, Dean Burton, says he's disappointed with how easily the team gave away possession in their 4-0 defeat to world champions United States in their friendly international on Tuesday night at the Energizer Park in St. Louis. 2 first-half goals from Ali St. Noor, who scored in the 19th and 28th minutes, and 2 strikes from substitute Lynn Biendolo, with goals in the 60th and 88th, rounded out a dominant display from the hosts.
I'm overall pleased with how it was. It was a tough night, obviously, and we defended very well at times, and we just needed that little bit of grit, and once we won the ball back and turned it over to try and push us up the pitch and get us a bit of territory.
Meanwhile, with the 2023 FIFA Women's World Cup runners-up England to face in their next game on June 29, Burton says the way the team defended for the most part was a positive.
Carrying on with the compact shape in the mid-block, being very self-conscious of how to defend. And like I said, can we just be better on the turnover when we start to win the ball? Can we be better with it on the transition? So things to work on, but a few positives to take away.
Paris Olympic medalists Shanika Ricketts and Rajendra Campbell headlined 10 Jamaicans down to compete at the Rome Diamond League meet on Friday. The informed Ricketts will contest the women's triple jump, while Campbell is down to contest the men's shot put event. 2016 Olympic champion Omar McLeod will line up in the men's sprint hurdles alongside Paris Olympic finalist Orlando Bennett. Paris Olympic finalists Rochelle Clayton and Cheyenne Salmon will line up in the women's 400-meter hurdles along with compatriot Anjanette Knight. 2024 World Indoor medalist Kira McLeod will contest the men's long jump, while 2025 World Indoor bronze medalist Raymond Richards and Romain Beckford will compete in the men's high jump. West Indies spinner Gudakesh Moti expects a better showing from the team against England in the upcoming T20 internationals after the Caribbean men were swept 3-0 during the one-day international series, which ended on Tuesday. Moti scored a career-best 63 in the third game at the Oval and shared in a 91-run eighth-wicket partnership with Alzarri Joseph, who made 41, as the Windies made 251 for 9, with the game reduced to 40 overs per team. Sheffield Rutherford top scored with 70 against Adil Rashid 3 for 40. Moti returned to take 1 for 74 as England cruised the victory at 246 for 3. Jamie Smith top scored with 64 while Ben Duckett made 58. Moti, who is named in the T20 squad, believes with more experienced players to be added for the shorter format, the Caribbean team will be more competitive.
Well, yeah, it's a new format and a new team, so I'm really looking forward for that. It's going to be challenging again as a spin bowler here in England because with the conditions, but I'm really looking forward for that. Yeah, a lot of experienced player coming in, so that's a plus for us.
Finally, first-time finalists St. Andrew Technical and last year's beaten finalists St. George's College will meet in the final of the ISA Urban Era Under-14 Basketball Championship this afternoon at the University of the West Indies, led by 13 points from Shamaria Dawson and 11 from Johnny Mattis. St. Andrew Technical High School booked their place in their first Under-14 final with a 33-30 win over Jamaica College in their semi-final meeting on Monday. Tyler Fiani scored 12 points for JC. Meanwhile, St. George's College had a nail-biting 37-36 win over title holders Campion College in their last 4 meeting. Jaden Smith scored 13 points for St. George's College, while Mikai Collins had a game-high 18 points for Campion in a losing effort. The final is set for 3:30 p.m., while Campion and JC will meet in the third-place playoff at 2:30. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thank you, Renardo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.